Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbags or electronics from triggering. Remove loose items and lift out the cup holder insert. Underneath are exposed 10 mm nuts you'll need. Use a plastic trim tool to pry back the console's seams slowly. This prevents cracking the plastic. As you loosen panels, keep fasteners organized in a labeled bag so reassembly is straightforward. Once the top fasteners are out, you'll be ready to access hidden bolts beneath the armrest. Once the top trim is loose, fold the armrest forward and remove the bolts under it. These often secure the console frame. Next, carefully pry side panels to reveal additional fasteners. Remove them and begin disconnecting wiring harnesses for power outlets, USB ports, or auxiliary switches so you don't strain connectors. Slowly slide the console rearward to disengage front clips. As you do this, watch for HVAC duct tabs or a shift cable bracket that may need to be unbolted. Keep track of bolt sizes and lift the console clear of the shifter area while supporting its weight so cables and ducts aren't overstressed. If it resists, double-check for any remaining bolts under the front tray or behind the glove area. Once free, set the console aside on a padded surface to avoid scratches. Inspect clips and retainers and replace any broken ones to ensure a firm reinstallation. Troubleshooting tip: if a harness won't unplug, disconnect the battery, then depress the connector release tab. Forcing it risks breaking the tab or the harness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.